I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blue cheese dressing. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 4 ounces of your favorite blue cheese, crumbled into small pieces. For the creamy base, combine 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/2 cup of sour cream. These provide the rich texture. To add a bright, tangy note, incorporate 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. These foundational elements are key to a delicious dressing. Now let's elevate the flavor profile. Introduce 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle warmth and depth. Fresh herbs are essential. Finely chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh chives or parsley to add a vibrant, fresh element. Once all ingredients are in your bowl, gently fold them together. The goal is to combine everything thoroughly without overmixing, which can break down the blue cheese too much. Achieving the perfect consistency is crucial for blue cheese dressing. If your dressing is too thick, you can easily thin it out. Gradually stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or buttermilk, adding a little at a time until it reaches your desired pourable texture. Once you're happy with the consistency, cover the dressing and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and develop, making it even more delicious. Your homemade blue cheese dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try it drizzled over a fresh green salad, as a classic accompaniment to spicy buffalo wings, or as a flavorful dip for your favorite raw vegetables. To keep it fresh, store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When properly stored, your delicious homemade blue cheese dressing will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 5 to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.